Hello, it's Tim from the Lancashire Maths team. Today I'm going to explain how to play 4 in a row. This is a game for 2 players. To play this game you'll need a game board, some counters and a calculator if you want to check your answers. Player 1 starts the game by placing a counter anywhere on the game board. Player 1 must now say either the number that is 1 more than the number that their counter is on, or the number that is 1 less than the number that their counter is on. Player 1's counter is on 6, so they must say either 7 or 5. If they are correct, they keep their counter on 6 on the game board. If they are incorrect, they remove their counter. Player 2 then takes a turn. Player 2's counter is on 19, so they must say either 20 or 18. The winner is the player to place 4 counters in a row horizontally, vertically or diagonally. If the game board is filled without anyone getting 4 in a row, the winner is the player with the most counters on the board. The next version of the game is identical to version 1, except that the players must say either the number that is 10 more than the number that their counter is on, or the number that is 10 less than the number that their counter is on. Player 1's counter is on 27, so they must say either 37 or 17. The next version of the game is identical to version 1, except that the players must say either the number that is 9 more than the number that their counter is on, or the number that is 9 less than the number that their counter is on. Player 1's counter is on 63, so they must say either 72 or 54. The next version of the game is identical to version 1, except that the players must say the number that their counter is on divided by 10. Player 1's counter is on 4, so they must say 0.4. The next version of the game is identical to version 1, except that the players must say the number that their counter is on divided by 100. Player 1's counter is on 72, so they must say 0.72. The final version of the game is identical to version 1, except that the players must say the number that their counter is on divided by 1000. Player 1's counter is on 3874, so they must say 3.874. All the different game boards for this game are available to download from the home learning section of our website. I hope you have fun playing that game, and I'll see you next time.